All right, we're gonna do a quick video, just a real quick how-to video, real fast. I'm gonna tell you how to change this forward badge. That's, as you can see, is not here. I have the magnetic gray with the black trim. So what we do is, this has popped up for some reason, but gotta remove all these clips first of all. Clip here, clip here, clip here, clip here, clip here, and take this off. Up underneath here is going to be another shield. As you can see, it's right here, this plastic piece here. You really don't have to take that off. I didn't take it off. If you want to remove the grill, you can. There's 4 clips or 6 clips. Clip here, clip here, clip here, and clip there. Pull the grill out. On the back side of the forward badge, there's 2 plastic gray nuts on the back. They're 10 mil. Take those off, pop the badge off, put the badge on. So what I did is I pulled this up, stuck my hand back here behind this other secondary plastic air deflector right here, and I put a wrench back there, a small 1/4 inch ratchet with the 8 mil socket, and I took those nuts off and the grill fell off. I mean the badge fell off, and I replaced it. So swing around here to the back once again. For the rear, I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up, but there is a little indentation right here where the screwdriver goes. You pop this off, this just pops off. Behind here, you're gonna find two nuts back here. I think these are also 10s. Take these 2 10s off. Could even be 3, I haven't done it in a while. There's a nut here, like 1 here and 1 here, and then this surround piece comes off. You gotta unplug your camera. It's a little connector back there, plug the camera in. When you take this camera off, be mindful of how you take it off, because if you put it in upside down, your resolution will be upside down. Put the camera off, replace this, then pop the forward badge back on. That's it. It's real quick, it's real easy. I wish I had done it when I initially did the truck, but I didn't. But if you need any extra how-tos, then I'll actually take it apart and do it for you guys. Okay, see ya.